To make bread and butter pudding, first preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 355 degrees Fahrenheit, and grease a baking dish with softened butter. Then cut 8 slices of bread in half diagonally, and cut each half in half again. Spread softened butter onto one side of each piece. Place 8 of the pieces into the baking dish, with the buttered sides facing up. Next, sprinkle a handful of sultanas or raisins over the bread, followed by a liberal amount of cinnamon. This completes the first layer. Repeat the process to add more layers until you've run out of pieces of bread, then set aside. To make the custard, first add 1½ cups, 350 milliliters, each of whole milk and double cream to a small saucepan. Place the saucepan on the stove and heat on low until it starts to steam. While that's heating up, crack 2 eggs into a bowl and add 2 tablespoons, 25 grams, of granulated sugar. Whisk the eggs and sugar until fully blended. Finish the custard by slowly pouring the milk and cream mixture into the egg and sugar mixture, then whisking everything together. Put a strainer inside of another bowl and pour the custard into it to catch any bits of cooked egg which you can discard. Now pour the custard evenly over the bread in the baking dish. Sprinkle some nutmeg, cinnamon, and a bit more sugar over the top of the bread and custard. Let the bread sit for 30 minutes to soak up the custard, then bake it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. You'll know it's done when the bread pudding has a golden brown color and the custard has thickened.